Imagine a world where you have your own personal assistant, which not only keeps you organized, but it guides you through the complexities of education. Imagine an assistant that could answer any question you've ever thought of. It could help you diet, it could help you get organized, and it could give you information about any topic that you could think of.
ChatGPT.
So OpenAI's ChatGPT has a way to revolutionize the way we approach education and the way we approach learning. Let's paint this picture. Imagine a boy, let's say his name is Jake, a boy named Jake. And he is a student, someone who is lazy, someone who doesn't do homework, someone who doesn't study. But this is them 24/7. They show no interest in school whatsoever. If there's a deadline, they'll make sure it's submitted, but they'll wait till the last minute, they'll procrastinate, and they'll be unorganized. You will much rather be gaming, watching YouTube, watching Instagram reels, watching TikTok, than studying or doing homework. But through YouTube, he's come across AI videos about ChatGPT, videos about how this company made this and how this did that, and how you can answer any question you want through AI. So now he's gone down this rabbit hole of learning about AI and seeing what it can actually do. And he finds out, okay, wait, this is going to help me with education, learning, and submitting projects like this. It's going to make every single thing in school 10 times easier. This is a prime example of me. I'm 17 and I'm in matric. And if I can find a way to get something done faster than what it would have taken me, and an easier way to do it, I'll do it 1000%. It's just, why not? So if I can find a way to do a project in an hour where it would have taken me 10 hours, by all means, I'll take that. So now you have this child, me, Jake, whatever his name is. And when he gets homework, he goes to ChatGPT, he says, okay, who started World War I? Who started World War II? How did this come about? Give me an answer to this math equation. Any question he has, he can answer. If he has an essay writing, there, no writer's block. He can simply put in topic ideas and ChatGPT will feed him answers, feed him essays. He can rewrite it and edit it to make sure that it's not paraphrased. So let's build the last point. So if you were to get a project and they said, okay, do a project about World War I. Give me information about it and build out a presentation illustrating what happened during World War I. A presentation would have taken you 1 hour or 2 hours to create. Now, with an AI like Tone, for example, you can make a presentation in a matter of seconds. And if you pair that up with ChatGPT, you could say, give me information about this, about this, about this, and take all the information you just learned about World War I, paraphrase it through a tool like Quillbot, and then you can use that in conjunction with Tone to create a presentation and to create an actual piece of writing. In the beginning of the video, I touched on a point about writer's block. So basically, what writer's block is when you don't have any creativity spark within you. You can't get anything down on paper on the computer. So you were to be given a topic or multiple topics, and they were to tell you, write an essay about this. If it's English, if it's history, whatever it may be, you can go to ChatGPT and you can put in your topics, and then it will give you feedback on how to respond to those topics. You can take those and you can edit it, you can change it, and this makes writing so easy because now you have this tool that basically gives you creativity and you can build off of it. That is the beauty of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can even go so far as to be a study buddy, not just a personal assistant. For example, if you need help with something, ask it that. So when you would have asked a friend, how do I do this or how do I do that? You go straight to ChatGPT, it will give you an in-depth response as to how to perform a specific task, how to do a specific equation, and it will give you factual information about the topic. That is just the beauty of ChatGPT. Anything that you think of, you can answer. The only variable that limits you to how useful this tool can be is how well you ask questions. The better you ask the question, the better response you're going to get. So by using ChatGPT and all these AI resources, you can make school a breeze. Essay writing, you can get information. Essay writing, you can get topic ideas. Any single thing that you need, ChatGPT has it for you. Do you want to create presentations? Tell me the website for you. Think of how much more productive you will be. Where a project would have taken you 10 hours, it now takes you 2 hours. Where homework would have taken you an hour, it takes you 15 minutes. Using AI should be something that every learner adopts. You need to move with the times and utilize what we have and leverage it to make us more money, to make us more productive, and to make us more efficient. Whether that be in school, whether that be in business, or whether that be with daily tasks. Replace certain tasks with AI so that you can be more efficient and productive with your work.